What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are going to go over this flex tape. I had this flex tape for a little while. I actually got it from Walmart. It was on the clearance section. So I want to try it out. And we are going to use it on our rain barrel system. So I put the rain barrels up before, but I used Vaseline. And I just left it alone, but this time I'm gonna use Vaseline so the pipes will be easy to slide in, and then we'll tape it with this flex tape right here. It says 4 inches wide. For once ever in history. All right, you guys, sense of humor. Okay, I could probably test it out on a bucket, like a bucket that I'm getting rid of, to see if it works on leaks. Very sticky, that's for sure. All right, you guys, I'm gonna put some Vaseline on the inside. And don't worry, you guys, this is spare Vaseline. This is work Vaseline. This is not, I won't put this back on my face. I'll put Vaseline. And then dirt. Oh, that's as far as I could go. I need Vaseline for there, and then we should be good. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna apply this tape, and this is a big piece of tape, very big, and sticky. So I'm gonna wrap it around. Now this is not really for leak. This is just to hold the pipe in place, because this is how it fell, and it's going crooked. Oh, this is very strong. If you try to take this back off, you're doomed. So once it's on, it's on. I'm going to leave it like that. Get my scissors. But don't worry, I'll test this out on the bucket or something to show y'all if it stays in place. All right, so I'm gonna put a piece of tape here, and I'm gonna put a piece of tape up here, just for the simple fact on it came down last time from here. I might put a piece of tape there too, just to secure that. I'm not sure yet, but I know with this and this, maybe this, I'm going to just put tape on this whole thing. I mean, it looks tacky, but I mean, if it looked that tacky to y'all, you know, y'all could paint y'all pipes, you guys. Show y'all my system that I have here. Where it starts is my gutter from the roof right here. This one has its own gutter, so when it hits this roof right here, this roof, the water comes into this gutter right here, and then it already drains through this system. This system I don't have hooked up to I don't have this hooked up to a barrel. This is going all the way in the back. I dug a trench, and it goes all the way in the back. All right, so that's where this water goes, and I'll show y'all that in a little bit. But I got this one here. All this water is from the roof, and we get a lot of water from this. If this wasn't hooked up, they had it running right off, and it was hitting the deck. So a lot of water was hitting or landing right here on the deck, and that's one reason why I put this system in. I was just going to run this in the back, but I said, you know what, let me use some rain barrels, because I'm an end of the world type of person. Corrugated pipes right there. Then we have a sewage pipe, because that was the only way for me to connect it there. And then we have a reducer to a 2-inch. All right, so we're going down, 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 and then it runs all the way down there. All right, you guys, so this is the part that I have to lift up. I have to lift this up, and it's going to raise that up. But I have to lift this up some so I can have this going down, because as y'all can see, my angle is going like that. Even though the pressure of the water still go down, I still want it to go in a better flow, so we will fix that in a little bit. But I'm just showing y'all the system that I have, and then it runs all the way out to the rain barrels, in which I'm fixing up my whole system here. This system is from my sub pump, so my sub pump is all the way out there. They had it just running out into the dirt, close to the foundation. You don't want your water close to your foundation, you guys. You will have troubles, okay? You will have problems in the future. So I put this drainage system here and connected here, and everything is running out there. So I don't have a lot of water coming back to my house, you guys. It was at first, but now it's not. So preventative maintenance.